In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Enpass. Enpass is a versatile password manager, and organizing your information into categories can truly enhance the way you manage and retrieve your data. Whether you're just setting up Enpass or looking to optimize your existing setup, categorizing your data helps keep everything neat and easily accessible. So, let's dive in and go through the simple steps to create categories in Enpass. First, you want to launch the Enpass app on your desktop. This is your starting point, as it enables all the functionalities you'll need to add or edit categories. Keep in mind that the interface might slightly vary depending on the operating system you are using, but the general instructions remain consistent across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With Enpass open, head over to Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find various options to tweak and customize your application experience. From here, your next stop is Customize. This section is specifically designed to allow you to tailor Enpass to better suit your preferences, making it truly yours. Once you've entered the Customize section, look for the Categories button under the Manage heading. This is where all your hard work of organizing will take place. Clicking on Categories will bring up a list of existing categories that Enpass may have set up by default, and this is also where you'll add your own custom category to the mix. Now, let's add a new category. All you need to do is select Add Category from the menu. This step is incredibly straightforward. Upon doing so, a prompt will appear asking for further details about your new category. Here, you should enter the name for your new category. Consider making it descriptive enough to provide clarity on what it contains. For example, if you're creating a category to store all your work-related credentials, you might name it Work Logins or Office Credentials. Having distinct and precise names helps you easily locate the information you need at a glance. Finally, it's time to click Save. This action will ensure that your new category is officially added to your Enpass setup, ready to house its designated data. Remember, the key to keeping Enpass effective and user-friendly is maintaining clear, well-defined categories that reflect the contents they hold. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add categories in Enpass. Organizing your data into categories not only improves efficiency, but also enhances your overall experience with this award-winning password manager. Try it out and see how much easier management becomes when your items are neatly categorized. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other guides for more tips on mastering your digital organization.